I've made it as far as my car can carry me. Yeah, I didn't take into account that it's not a normal backpack. It doesn't have any straps. So I'm actually going to take some of this rapid rope. I'm going to make me some straps so that I can strap this onto my back. It's not the most comfortable thing in the world, but it'll get me there. Yeah, it just started pouring rain. Well, I've made it to the location that I'm going to hide this bad boy. I am closing it up for the last time, and I'm locking it right here. There she is. Now, time to put her away. I found the place where I'm going to stash this. Hopefully no one will find it on accident. All right, folks, that's it. It's hidden right in there. So if you can find where this is, congratulations. It's going to be a lot of fun though. And what I want to implore you to do is enjoy the journey. That's honestly, I mean, that's why Worksharp's doing this. That's why we're doing this. It's to get people to get outdoors more and enjoy the outdoors, because there's so much beauty. And that's why I love living where I do here in East Tennessee, is because there's so much beauty to take in out in nature. Hope you guys enjoyed this. Hope you guys enjoy looking for this box. I enjoyed putting it out here. Oh, and hey, by the way, remember, it cuts like something sharpened by Worksharp, and we carry it.